A big airplane is on the runway, ready for takeoff. The passengers have already fastened their seatbelts. Musti and his mommy and daddy are also on board. Musti is sitting next to the window. He's so excited as he gazes outside. Suddenly, the airplane begins to move, slowly at first, and then faster. Musti sees the landscape flashing by. And then up the airplane soars. The houses and the trees below look very small now.
Look, Mommy! Everything down there looks like a toy!
Musti exclaims. And then the airplane disappears into the clouds. Musti can't see anything anymore, only the white mist of the clouds. How exciting! The airplane flies higher and higher until it's all the way above the clouds. Musti can't believe his eyes.
Look, Mommy and Daddy! Look how beautiful the clouds are in the sun!
Yes,
Nods Daddy.
down on the ground when it's cloudy, we can't see the sun, Musti. But up above the clouds, it's always sunny during the daytime.
Musti's so happy and excited. The clouds form all sorts of shapes. Like a yacht. Or a tree. And look, there's one that looks like Miss Tortoise.
Do you think Miss Tortoise can fly?
Hello, young man. Are you daydreaming? Says an unfamiliar voice. It's the stewardess in her uniform. What would you like to drink? A glass of milk, or would you like some fruit juice?
Fruit juice, please, ma'am.
Replies Musti a little shy. Here you are, one fruit juice. Here you go. This is for you, too. A coloring book and crayons.
Oh, thank you very much, ma'am.
Musti beams.
Look, Mommy, so many airplanes to color.
That's very nice, Musti. Musti gets to work immediately. When he looks outside again, all the clouds have disappeared. Below him now, he can see the ocean and boats and a big island with white beaches. Musti feels the airplane descending.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to land,
Says the voice of the pilot.
Where are we going to land, Daddy?
Asks Musti.
Down there, on that island, Musti. That's where we're taking our vacation.
Yippee! On the beach by the ocean!
Before Musti gets out, he's allowed to look in the cockpit. He's never seen so many switches and lights before.
Oh, it's wonderful!
The pilot waves to Musti and gives him a little airplane.
Here, now you can practice flying an airplane.
Thank you, Captain. I'll practice all the time.
Bye, Captain Musti.
And at the top of the stairs, Musti shouts,
Look, Mommy and Daddy! When I grow up, I'm going to be a pilot too!